The movement of the hips involve flexion, where the front of the hip moves into a shortened position and can be done with a straight leg or a bent knee. Extension is where the legs extend behind you. Then we have abduction, sometimes referred to as abduction, where the hip moves away from the body. Think of an alien abduction where you're getting taken away. Then there's adduction, where the hip moves towards the body, so you're adding the leg back to your body, so to speak. And then there's external rotation, where the leg/knee turns away from the body. Then there's internal rotation, where the leg and generally the knee turns inward towards the body. Cars for the hips are a bit complex, so to help explain the movement a bit better, I'll break it down into a few poses. The first pose starts in flexion and external rotation. You want to imagine that you're trying to lick the bottom of your foot, pulling the foot closer to your body. Then you'll move into what's known as the Captain Morgan pose for any of you alcohol drinkers out there. This is where we abduct or abduct the leg while staying in flexion. Then from this position, slightly drop the hip down and internally rotate as if you're trying to mimic a peeing dog. Then extend the hip behind you as you slightly bring the hip towards you. Then reverse these steps, returning to your original position. Repeat this 2 to 3 times and remember to only move from the hip. If you find yourself losing balance, use a chair or a wall to keep yourself stable.